Researchers are working to determine just how contagious the Omicron COVID-19 variant is and if the current vaccines will be effective against it.
The virus strain was first identified in South Africa and has spread rapidly, though there are no known cases so far in the United States.
And while studies are underway, health officials are urging people to protect themselves by getting vaccinated and getting the booster shots.
But as News 19 chief investigative reporter Brian Lawson found, there are still plenty of people who haven't actually gotten their shots, Brian.
That's right. Looking at Alabama's vaccination rates, the state reports 46% of residents are fully vaccinated. That's 2.1 million people. But in the North Alabama region, we're mostly below the state's total. Madison County turns out to be an outlier. 48% of county residents are fully vaccinated. It's the only county in the region above the statewide vaccination rate of 46%. Colbert and Limestone counties are both at 44%, and Morgan and Lauderdale counties are just above 40%. We find 5 counties haven't reached even 40% in terms of fully vaccinated population. Marshall County is 39%, Franklin and Lawrence are just below that. At the bottom of the list, Jackson County is at 35%. And DeKalb County reports just 1/3 of its population is fully vaccinated. UAB's Dr. Jeannie Marazzo said low vaccination rates are a cause for concern in the face of a new COVID-19 variant.
In fact, one of the reasons people think that South Africa was a site of emergence is that it has not had access to vaccines the way that we have in the United States. In fact, less than probably 20% of people are vaccinated in South Africa. When you have places where vaccination coverage is so low, they are fantastic setups for exactly this type of mutation to happen. And that's what we've been saying all along. This is not magic. We've been talking about how places with low vaccine coverage are going to be the most vulnerable to the emergence of these new variants.
Now, Madison County's 48% is the highest vaccination rate among Alabama's largest counties. Jefferson County is right behind it at 47%. Mobile County is at 43%, and Montgomery County, 40%.